Oh, very proud of you, son.
Smile or look serious?
Oh, look, smile, look serious, but I want you to tell everybody at home that you love them.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I'm filming right now. Tell me you love them. Make sure to tell Tess that you love her.
Tess, I love you like crazy. I wish you were right here. I'm like, whoa! You kidding me? Oh my god! No way! No way!
Give me a daddy now.
Oh.
Oh my god!
You're good.
So do you.